भारत माता की भारत माता की
जय
स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा वंदे
मातरम
वंदे
मातरम
all my brothers and sisters of Kerala, Karyakartas of Kerala, whose hard work, dedication, whose sweat and blood is building the party and ideology in God's own country, my Sashtanga Pranam to all of you. Friends, Kerala is the great land of great temples, the land of the Sanatana Dharma's greatest of saints and teachers, the smartest of the brains, the intellectuals, the philosophers, great kings, all have come and ruled this great land of Kerala. It is my great fortune that after I have been blessed with the opportunity to become the national president of the youth wing of the BJP, Surendranji has given me this opportunity to come and join all of you in the Vijaya Yatra of the BJP in Kerala. Friends, I have travelled as a Vidyarthi Parishad Karyakarta all across the country, as Yuva Morcha have travelled everywhere. But nowhere in the country, and I repeat, nowhere in the country, do I see the kind of dedication, hard work, commitment to ideology that I see in the Karyakartas of Kerala. You are inspiration for every single Karyakarta of the RSS, the BJP and the Sangh Parivar. Salutations, Sashtanga Pranam at the feet of every single Karyakarta of Kerala. Friends, this great land, unfortunately, for the last 70 years has been misruled and misgoverned by Congress and the Communist Party in succession. The land which had the potential to be the growth engine of the country is now today lacking in development, is behind on very important parameters of growth. And the youth of this state are going out of the state in search of employment and jobs. I represent Bengaluru. Many of you, young people, thousands of you come to Bangalore because you do not get opportunity in Kerala. But it is not because the young of Kerala are not talented. My friends, I have many of them who are Keralites, who work in the top software companies in Bangalore. They are the most capable, most hardworking, most intelligent people who are very conscious of integrity. But because they don't get employment opportunities in Kerala, unfortunately they are going out of the state. This has to be changed. Friends, decades of communism and communist rule has ruined and destroyed all private enterprise. And what about government jobs? In the name of the PSC appointments, this corrupt communist government is appointing by backdoor. All relatives and nepotism of the netas is going on in broad daylight. It reminds me of how all communist dictators around the world work. Kim Jong-un of North Korea appoints his sister to all important posts. Fidel Castro appoints his relatives to important posts. Stalin, Lenin also appointed their relatives to important posts. In the same way, the communist dictator of Kerala, Pinarayi Vijayan, and his communist cronies are also appointing relatives to important posts to the PSC scam. This has to be challenged. This has to be stopped. Friends, this is the most corrupt government in the history of Kerala. Every single day, a new scam, a new scandal of this government comes out. These are the headlines. One day, it is the solar scam. The other day, it is the life mission scam. The next day, it is the deep fishing contract scam. The other day, it is the flood relief scam. The next day, it is the gold scam, the sprinkler scam. This is a government of scams. This is not a government which gives good governing. This is not only a corrupt government. It is also an ineffective incompetent government that does not work. Today, when I was coming, our state president told me that the Alapua bypass that we crossed was pending from the last 40 years. In the same way, the Kollam bypass was also pending from 1970. All of these governments have only made empty promises. I was told that in other places, where there is a will, there is a way. But in Kerala, in communist government, it is only survey, survey and survey. For 70 years, this has been the model of governance. Only after Narendra Modi became Prime Minister, the things have changed. The four-decade-old Alapua bypass got inaugurated thanks to Narendra Modi. The Kollam bypass, which was pending from 1970, got inaugurated because of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Modi means development. Modi means good governance. Pinarayi means scam. Pinarayi means bad development. While there is no development and there is only corruption on one hand, on the other hand, this state government, led by the communist dictator Pinarayi Vijayan, is promoting and encouraging radical Islamic terrorism in Kerala, which is a threat for the whole country. And today, from this important stage, I want to dare him. Try however much you want. The Yuva Morcha and the BJP will stand strong against this design of yours to make Kerala a hotbed of Islamic terror. We will fight at every step, and we will win in this fight. This is the sankalp that the Yuva Morcha Karyakartas are making in Kerala today. Every single day, our Karyakartas are being killed. Organizations, terrorist organizations like SDPI, PFI, Jamaat-e-Islam are being supported, funded, encouraged by the Pinarayi Vijayan government. Today, I visited the house of our Karyakarta Nandu, who was killed at the very beginning of the Vijay Yatra. He was all of 22 years old. 22 years old. What was his crime? What was his mistake? Because he supported the BJP, because he was the Karyakarta of the RSS, he was brutally murdered. He was the only son. He was the only son to his aged parents. Today, all of us Yuva Morcha Karyakartas went to his mother. We promised her that she may have lost one son, but all of us are her children, that we will stand with her and we will provide and do the duties which her son would have done. I want to assure all of you, the Bharatiya Janata Party, the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha is strongly standing with every single Karyakarta of the Janasangh, of the Sangha Parivar, of the Bharatiya Janata Party in Kerala. Go ahead and fight. We are with you. We will stand with you. We will win this fight. Friends, politics for the BJP in Kerala is not just to come to power in the state. This is not a fight for power. This is not a fight for satta. This is not to make any of our leader just the chief minister. This fight here in Kerala is a civilizational battle for us. We are fighting this battle because we want to save this great culture, save this great land, save this great language. We want to protect this from the radical Islamic onslaught. That is the great fight that all of us are doing. And this cannot be fought only by ourselves. I also call upon all our young Christian brothers and sisters to join the hands with the BJP to fight against this radical Islamic terror together, against this land jihad, against the love jihad that is happening in Kerala. We must come together to fight against this enemy. Kerala has a large young population. As the youth wing president of the BJP, I want to ask all of you, communism is a dead ideology. Communism is a rejected ideology. Communism is a failed ideology. discard that ideology, discard that party, leave the Communist Party, come and join the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is the party of the future. Come and join with us. Let us build a new Kerala. Let us build a new India. Friends, communism has been rejected in Cuba. Communism has failed in Russia. Communism has failed in China. Communism has failed in every part of the world. Communism has failed in Venezuela. Communism has also been rejected in West Bengal. Now it is the time of Kerala to reject this pernicious, dirty ideology of communism. Let us throw communism out. Communism is history. BJP is future. Communisattinde kalam karinyu. Inivarennuda tamarakkalamana. This is the Bharatiya Janata Party's time. Many ask me, do you really think BJP will grow in Kerala? Every election you say we will form government. Every election you will say we will improve. But it seems very unlikely. It seems difficult. It seems very far. Can BJP really win in Kerala? A lot of political commentators keep asking this question. I want to remind all of them. The BJP started with only a few people, handful of people. The BJP and the Janasangh began its journey in the most smallest, humblest manner. We were once a party which had only 2 MPs. But the Ashwamedha Yagna of the Bharatiya Janata Party, which started with 2 MPs, has today resulted in 303 MPs in the country. In the same way, we will fight every election. We will improve in every election. We will increase our vote share. We will keep winning the hearts of Keralites until in the next election, in the coming election, we will form a complete majority Bharatiya Janata Party Sarkar in Kerala. BJP is the present. BJP is the future. Congress and Communists are history. Throw them into the dustbin. Come, let us go and embrace a strong future. Friends, lastly, I want to tell you all one thing. The Bharatiya Janata Party, in the last so many years of our growth, has grown in all parts of north of this country, in the northern part of this country. Now, it is the responsibility of all of us coming from the south of India to ensure that the Ashwamedha Yagna of making the Bharat Mata the greatest power on earth will be given strength by increasing the strength of the Bharatiya Janata Party in the south of this country. The next governments that we will form will be in Telangana, in Andhra Pradesh, in Kerala and in Tamil Nadu. Karnataka say I come. We have already taken the lead and shown how a state government of BJP can change things in Karnataka. I ask all of my young brothers and sisters of Kerala, come, join all of us Kannadigas, bring BJP in Kerala, just like how we brought it way back in Karnataka. Let us bring a new era of development, new era of prosperity, new era of growth in Kerala, led by the Bharatiya Janata Party. This is my request to you. Malayalam is a great language. The sound of the Malayalam language itself is like the mantras. It has so much power. I request all of you to join me in saying a few slogans. I will tell a slogan and you will tell Namukku Venam BJP. Namukku Venam
BJP.
Namukku Venam
BJP.
Arimadhibaranam Illadakan.
അഴിമതിഭരണം ഇല്ലാതാക്കാൻ
Namukku Venam BJP.
നമുക്ക് വേണം. ഓക്കെ, അതായത് അഴിമതി ഭരണം ഇല്ലാതാക്കാൻ എന്ന് അദ്ദേഹം വിളിക്കുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ നമുക്ക് വേണം BJP എന്ന് പറയണം.
Arimadhibaranam Illadakan.
നമുക്ക് വേണം BJP.
Arimadhibaranam Illadakan.
നമുക്ക് വേണം BJP.
യുവജനതക്ക് തോരൽ നൽകാൻ
നമുക്ക് വേണം BJP.
വിശ്വാസങ്ങളെ സംരക്ഷിക്കാൻ
നമുക്ക് വേണം BJP.
തീവ്രവാദം ഇല്ലാതാക്കാൻ
നമുക്ക് വേണം BJP. കൈ ഉയർത്തി.
തീവ്രവാദം ഇല്ലാതാക്കാൻ
നമുക്ക് വേണം BJP.
കൊലപാതക രാഷ്ട്രീയം ഇല്ലാതാക്കാൻ
നമുക്ക് വേണം BJP.
വികാസം ഇവിടെ സാധ്യമാക്കാൻ
നമുക്ക് വേണം BJP.
നമുക്ക് വേണം ബിജെപി.
നമുക്ക് വേണം BJP.
നമുക്ക് വേണം ബിജെപി. സാഷ്ടാംഗ നമസ്കാർ to all of you. ഭാരത് മാതാ की Vande!
മാതരം
Vande!
മാതരം.
I make my Sirasashtanga pranams at the lotus feet of Adi Shankara, Narayana Guru, Ayankari, and all the great sons and daughters of Kerala. Thank you so much.